we have two amazing, innovative and easy-to-use products. The features of the Back Saver Mobi Scooter and Back Saver Chair are as follows. The Mobi Scooter is equipped with large, wide tires, allowing you to drive onto soft soil and grass. Buttons on the steering allow the seat to move down from 500 to 200 mm by a linear actuator. The low seating position ensures a pain-free back while gardening. To prevent the scooter from tipping over, the seat has been centrally positioned to house the mechanical components as well as the low center of gravity in the lowest position. Presenting the Back Saver Chair, which is designed for indoor use. If something is dropped on the floor, the seat can be lowered down to 200 mm by simply pressing a button. Thus, the item can be easily retrieved without hurting your back. You don't have to suffer from back pain anymore while doing your chores with these great inventions. Contact Frank Gadd for more details. Email gaddfrank8@gmail.com. Telephone 083 4955 771